Kia ora koutou, ko Emily tōku ingoa, he kaiko whare tonga aho, no mai ki tōku whare. Hi everyone, my name's Emily. I'm an educator at the Otago Museum. Welcome to my house. I've got a really fun little craft for you and your whānau to do today. It's a paper doll, but it's a Kiri-bas warrior. Now, if you've been to the Otago Museum before, you probably remember the Kiri-bas warrior. He's pretty memorable. He's in the Pacific Cultures Gallery, so make sure you plan a trip to come and see him when you can. The Kiri-bas is a group of 33 coral atoll islands in Micronesia. And those 33 islands naturally don't have that many resources on them, which means that the coconut palm tree was a crucial resource in the Kiri-bas, as it is on lots of Pacific islands. You can use coconut trees as food, of course, so the coconuts, you can eat them. You can hollow out those coconuts and use them as containers. You can use the wood from the coconut palm for building and carving. And you can take the husk from the coconut and soak it and roll it up into long strands, and you can weave with it. So you can make ropes, or you can also make armour. So the main parts of this armour are made from those strands of coconut husk woven together. The Kiri-bas warrior in the Otago Museum, his cuirass, which is the part that's covering the torso, also has a high collar at the back, protecting the back of the man's head. He's also got a piece of dried ray skin as a waistband to protect his midriff in battle. He's got a helmet covered with the dried skin from a porcupinefish, and he's holding a carved sword made from coconut wood with sharp teeth lashed on. The warrior in the Otago Museum has a sword and a dagger. So you can see that this fierce warrior is well protected for battle. Now my challenge to you when you make this craft is to keep all the pieces separate. So you'll see on the template that these are all separate pieces. I've glued mine together just so it's easy to show you, but keep yours separate. And then my challenge to you is to use the different pieces as their own templates to redesign this armour using your imagination and creativity. So see if you can redesign it, but make sure you're only using natural resources. That's the challenge. Enjoy this craft and make sure you come in to see the Kiri-bas warrior on display in the Pacific Cultures Gallery when you can. Ka kite anō!